As your due date approaches, remember that pain relief drugs are not your only option. Labor and childbirth are big events, marking the end of a long pregnancy. There are many effective ways to ease labor. Good nutrition during pregnancy is key to both your health and your baby's. Eating well can also make labor easier by helping you stay strong and feel better physically, mentally, and emotionally. Women who are fit and healthy often have an easier labor. Try to walk daily, or ask your midwife about local yoga or aquanatal classes. Drinking raspberry leaf tea 4 times a day after 36 weeks can help prepare your womb for labor. Studies show it may lead to shorter labors and less need for pain relief. Pink stalk labor prep tea strengthens the uterus, making contractions more effective and potentially reducing the need for medical interventions during labor. Just put 1 pack in a cup of water and drink it. It is believed to help strengthen the muscles of your womb, making them work better during labor. Prenatal massages can help reduce labor pain and anxiety by boosting endorphins. They keep you calm, relaxed, and improve overall well-being. Take prepared childbirth classes to learn relaxation, breathing, and visualization techniques that can reduce fear, tension, and pain during labor. You can also buy hypnotherapy CDs to listen to. Pregnancy can be stressful, both physically and mentally. It's important to take care of yourself during this time. Stay positive and focus on your well-being to make the experience more enjoyable. These tips will help you manage labor and make the journey easier, no matter your situation. Talk to your doctor about any questions or concerns you have. They have seen and heard it all and can help ease your mind.